Hello children, I'm here because I would like to talk to you about something. I know you all love pretending, so I was wondering if you would like to pretend being a robot today. I would like to, and guess what? I have a robot costume, and every time I switch on the button, I start talking like a robot. Would you like to see my costume? Okay, here it is. Do you like it? Okay, now let's switch on the button and listen to that robot talk. Shh. Hello. 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 Shh. That's so much fun. Children, he has a game too called Guess the Word. Would you like to play the game? Okay, before we get started, you need to know that he's got some words written down in the hello pocket here. So when I turn it on, remember he can only do his robot talk. Are you ready to guess the first word? Okay. Shh. At. Shh. What do you think the word is, children? What? Mat? Let's check. Shh. At. Mat. Shh. Great, children. You were right. The first word is mat. Let's look at it and read it together. At. Mat. Well done, children. I wonder, does he have any other words? No? Maybe inside? Oh, he does have another one. Are you ready to switch it on and guess it? Shh. Pan. Shh. Did you guess? What is it? Pan? Let's check. Shh. Pan. Children, you were right. It is pan. Let's read it together. Pan. Mat, pan. You read correctly 2 words. I wonder, are we sure he hasn't got another one? Let's check inside. Upside down. Let's turn the robot on and listen to him. Shh. Sit. Shh. Did you guess? Sit. Let's check. Shh. Sit. Children, you guessed again. That's amazing. So let's look at the word and read it together. Sit. Great reading, children. Wow, you learned how to read simple words today. And I have a challenge for you. Can you make your own robot to practice your robot talk with other different words? If you would like to do so, let me know in the comments and write down the words you chose for your robot talk. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Miss you. Bye-bye.